guys, Zach Ginn here, Flip with Rick. So today I wanted to create this video while I'm driving, of course, from wholetail to wholetail, about who am I and who is Zach Ginn and why is this teenager talking about real estate investing with the great, powerful Rick Ginn. So if you haven't seen any of my podcasts or been living under a rock lately with Flip with Rick, our group, you might not know who I am. I am Zach Ginn. I'm Rick Ginn's son, and for the past about 3 years I've been a full-time real estate investor, part-time, in my opinion, student, and I've been learning the ins and outs of real estate investing for about 2 years, and I've been going crazy for the past 2 years full-time, maybe 1.5. So I'll just tell you a quick story about me. So I started out real estate investing when I was 17 years old. Started out just sticking bandit signs out by my high school wrestling tournaments, and started getting calls. Got my first couple deals, and the rest was history. Quit my grocery bagging job at a grocery store in Florida that you might know. A nice green P logo there. Shout out to them. And just been on this journey, real estate investing. Learning the ins and outs. Was started out as the sweat equity guy. So probably 17 to 18, that's all I did. And then I went to the University of Florida. I started school there, and I learned you can't do sweat equity 4 hours away. So what I learned was I learned cold calling. And I just started cold calling 2 hours a day in my dorm room. Getting deals from there, very consistent, very good deals. Had Rick just run up, get the deals for me, and I decided I wanted to come back and take just my business to a whole nother level. So I came back from the University of Florida after about, let's say, 8-9 months, and I basically told UF that I'm taking a full-time internship, and I need to get all my classes online. So they allowed me to. So I'm still a student there. I'll be graduating in December after the 16 months of school with my bachelor's in finance. So that's exciting. So basically I've been doing that and real estate investing full-time. And it's a tough schedule. It's about 8-9 hours a day of just real estate work that I do, and then an extra 2 to 3 of schoolwork, which I don't like. So that's what I've been doing the past year now, and I've slowly started putting in new marketing strategies for Rick that we've never done before. Facebook advertising, which has been our latest killer. We've been getting great deals with. Direct mail's always consistent. Bandit signs are still going out. We're doing all the streams possible, code violations, most importantly probates, that's always getting done. So I've been basically running operations for Rick while he is sitting around just fishing all day and working and working with the Flip with Rick and helping other people build their businesses and their dreams. So my days really consist of going around these wholetails, yelling at contractors and handyman, and make sure everything is running smoothly, make sure marketing's going smoothly, appointments are being gone. So right now I'm running from wholetail to about 2 appointments south right now, and then probably back home for some more marketing, calling on some of the Facebook leads that we got. So that's basically who I am. I hope you learned a little about me. I've done over 30 deals in the past year and a half, and then I only did like 5 to 10 my first year, going really slowly. Now I'm starting to really go balls to the wall by myself here with Rick helping me out. So this is who Zach Ginn is. Hope you enjoyed Flip with Rick, coming at you. Thanks.